When I first read the script of My Lady Jane, I had so many incredible creative impulses, and I thought about a lot of movies. I love Amy Heckerling. I love Clueless. I loved Princess Bride was a favorite. I loved just all those kind of feminist action adventure series that I saw when I was a kid. I loved Anne of Green Gables, so that was a huge inspiration. Yeah, so and I just, in the same way when I made But I'm a Cheerleader, my movie a million years ago, Clueless was really an inspiration. I felt like I still have the same impulses. I want something to be really fun. I want it to be really visual. I want the female characters to have like everything that we have, which is we're kind of badasses and we're really smart and we're funny. I have faked so many things in my life, and I have faked doctor appointments. I have missed exams based on bogus things that I've made up. So yes, like Jane, I have used illness to get out of a lot of things. Because I'm American, I didn't really know that much about My Lady Jane, and the more that I read the scripts, the more I started learning about her, and I assumed a lot of it was fake, but it was actually real. So there's a lot of amazing things.